Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you all the charging outlets on a BMW 2 Series. This is a 2025 model. So to begin with, we have wireless charging on this pad up here. Then we have a 12 volt outlet here, a cigarette charger outlet here. Now, the cigarette charger outlets cannot exceed 140 watts. We have one here and one in the boot, which I'll show you in a minute. We have a USB-A here. This can't exceed 1.5 amps. Here we have a USB-C in the center console, just here. With USB-C, it's 3 amp max. And we have two more USB-Cs in the back. We have one here and one here. Again, 3 amps on each of them. And then we have another 12 volt outlet just here. And again, remember, this one and the one in the front can't exceed together 140 watts. So that's it, that's all the charging outlets on the BMW 2 Series. Thanks for watching.